friends, Linda Curry here, and I wanted to do a quick video and show you my sprouts. This is broccoli sprouts, alfalfa sprouts, and mung bean sprouts. I put them together, although sometimes I'll do separate trays and separate them out. This is a great little stacking system. This is to keep them so light isn't hitting them while they're growing. And basically what you do is you take the seeds and soak them overnight. And then you'll put them in these dishes. Try to have a single layer of the seeds and rinse them 2 to 3 times a day. If it's really warm, like in Arizona, you want to go towards the 3 times a day. And then in about 3 or 4 days, depending on what kind of seeds you're sprouting, you'll have these great, amazing sprouts, and so delicious and healthy. One of the healthiest foods on earth. And there you have it. You can also do these in sprouting jars, but I really like them when they're in these trays. It's a lot easier to work with. So signing out for now. I hope you will tune in later and see what else I'm cooking up in the kitchen. Take care.